Hi, welcome everyone. Today Umair Hamid and Mohsin Kafoor are here to present the amazing Quilbot AI tool. We have been working on Quillbot project for the past few of couple days and gather some valuable information for you all. Together we make a great team and we are excited to present this to you all. Thank you. Now let's get started. So we will start from the introduction of this tool. QuillBot is an online text editor that can help rewrite any text in a variety of ways. This product will help you to improve the fluency while ensuring that you have the right vocabulary, tone, and style for any situation. Simply enter your text into the input box, and this AI tool will help you to create the best paraphrase. Now the question is, why should we utilize the QuillBot paraphrasing tool? हम इस चीज़ को हम क्यों क्विलबोर्ड को क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, यानी ये इसकी एप्लीकेशन क्या है, हम इसके क्या फ़ायदे हैं. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस इट्स बेनिफिट्स एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट प्रोवाइड द यूटिलिटी ऑफ कस्टमाइजेशन ऑफ टेक्स्ट, यानी हम टेक्स्ट की कस्टमाइजेशन कर सकते हैं बाय दिस synonym slider. We can change our text, like we can change our synonyms, make more changes to writing by using the synonym slider. A more accurate paraphraser will be fewer changes will result from sliding the slider to the left. A more creative rephrase with more changes will result from sliding the slider to the right. Means if we are sliding the slider to the left, the changes in synonyms of text are fewer, and if we move it to the right, the changes will more complicated and inaccurate. Now we will do this practically, but now this is the short introduction. So let's get forwarded to the second utility. Now we will talk about the usage of AI in the QuillBot. Second thing is the involvement of artificial intelligence. To see a list of suggested synonyms for any word in the paraphrase, click on it, then choose the best word to phrase express your point. We can just select the word humor. So there are many other options of humor, like comedy, or we can obtain from that. This is the usage of AI in the QuillBot. Now the third thing is integration. Like thing is that we can use it as an extension, just like we add extensions in Chrome. Like we add extensions of Chrome like YouTube, Google Maps, Instagram, Facebook, and many other things. We can add its extension in Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, or any other popular app. You no longer need to switch window every time you want to rewrite a sentence, paragraph, or article. So the tabs at the extension bar is the example of integration of QuillBot. Now we will discuss its modes. It uses 7 AI modes and 7 unique styles. QuillBot has 7 AI tools and 7 unique styles to paraphrase our text. It supports all English dialects such as UK, US, Canadian, and Australian accents. It also has so many utilities, like it is time saving, trusted by million people and other companies. It gives the facility to read at 125 free words. We can write 125 free words on its free package, but we can rewrite multiple or unlimited words if we have the premium package. So let's discuss about the main thing is which AI algorithm is used behind the QuillBot, and now we will see that which machine learning algorithm is used behind the QuillBot. QuillBot is a paraphrasing tool that uses NLP techniques and machine learning algorithm to generate a human-like paraphrases of text. The algorithm is based on the transformer neural network architecture, specifically the GPT-2 model developed by OpenAI. Like ChatGPT, OpenAI is the produced the ChatGPT, and it also Quilbot is an also application of OpenAI company, which is affecting various NLP tasks. Now we will talk about the GPT-2 model. What is GPT-2 model? The GPT-2 model is a large-scale transformer-based language model that has been trained on a massive corpus of text data. The generative model, meaning that it can be used to generate new text, is similar in the style and content to the text it was trained on. Quillbot uses the GPT-2 model as a starting point, but it also made several modifications to the architecture and training processes to optimize it for the paraphrasing. When a user inputs a sentence or a block text into the Quillbot, the algorithm first uses a process called tokenization. Tokenization to break the text down into the smaller units of meaning, such as word and punctuation marks. These tokens are fed into the GPT-2 model, which generates a large number of possible paraphrases based on the input text. Quillbot uses a technique called beam search to select the most likely paraphrases from the list. In the addition to GPT-2 model, Quillbot also uses a variety of other techniques to improve the quality and diversity of its paraphrases. For example, it uses a technique called back translation to generate the paraphrases in multiple languages and then translate them back into the original language to add more variety to the output. It also uses a technique called control generation to allow a user to specify certain aspects of paraphrase, such as the level of formality or the type of vocabulary used. Overall, Quillbot algorithm is a complex combination of neural network architectures, natural language processing techniques, and machine learning algorithms that have been optimized for the task of paraphrasing. Now we will discuss about the working of Quillbot. Quillbot has I should discuss about the modes. Like Quillbot has 7 paraphrasing modes to choose. First one is standard mode. It provides a middle ground between the changing the input text and keep its meaning. Means it provides us a simple paraphrasing paragraph. Fluency. The second one is fluency. It improves the language and fixes the grammatical errors. And third one is formal. It rewrites ideas in a more sophisticated and a professional way. And fourth one is simple, present text in a way most people can understand. Means it can generate the text in very simpler manner or simpler accent. The fifth one is creative, rephrases text with the most inevitness and expression expand. Means the paragraph will be creative, expand, add more detail and depth in order to lengthen the text, shorten. It will like it is a kind of summarizer. We can put the long paragraph and we get the short paragraph. And the last one is shorten, convey the meaning of text with a conciseness and clarity. Now we will test these modes. We have a sample text. Now we will check that how this standard mode will work and what it will change. Simply we have to copy our text from wherever we want and paste it into this window. These are 138 words. Because we don't have a premium version, that's why we have to omit the last line of that. Now we have appropriate words. Now let's see its magic. What does it happen? And when we paraphrase this paragraph, now you can see everything is changed, but the meaning is here. Everything is changed, every word is changed. We cannot predict that it's the same as we copied. This is due to its AI application. because we use the standard version of this. And now talk about the fluency mode. What is the fluency mode? As we see that in the fluency mode, the words are more meaningful and more difficult than standard, and the words are not as easier. And the paragraph is short. You can see that there's a 125 words and there's a 95 words. The words gets changed, and these are and these gets more meaningful and more and in more sophisticated way. Now there are 7 modes, but we can use only 2 modes in the free version of QuillBot. But these 2 modes are enough for to get a good paragraph. And let's talk about its AI feature, that is metabolic disorder. And this can be, and there are multiple suggestions we can use in order to replace this. We can use disorder, hormone, inherently unstable. We can change the complete body of our paragraph by using this application. Now we will talk about the synonym flipper. What is that? Like, it's a slider. If we move it to the right, then the synonyms will be changed. The meaning remain here, but the words synonyms are changed. Now we can see that there is nothing matched here, and that's why how can we skip the plagiarism in our words. This AI tool help you to remove the plagiarism from your text. No, nothing. Even the browser cannot detect that the paragraph is quillboted or paraphrased. That's the power of this AI tool. Now QuillBot has other several tools in addition to paraphraser to help user have a smooth and efficient writing experience. And every time that these tools are grammar checker. We can check the grammar of our text, and we can correct the grammar, and like commas, semicolons, it will add automatically in our text. These are some accents used here, and we can also do these kind of things. Now we can see that now we move to the next application, that is plagiarism checker. Now that's the plagiarism checker. Like it also has there is also a tool which is named Turnitin. We can also find plagiarism. QuillBot gives the facility to check the plagiarism of the file. It also gives the facility to co-writer, and this is a summarizer. We can convert the long paragraph into shorts by simply paste it here, and it will give us a summarized paragraph with more meaningful words. Citation generator, like it, and this is the translator. It's translator application. It will detect any language and convert into any language. These are the language flipper options. We can convert into multiple language by choosing any of this, and we simply write here any text, and it will automatically change to other language. These are some premium features of QuillBot. Translator is a beta version. Beta means it's a testing version of QuillBot. The QuillBot is testing this version by the public usage. QuillBot also give the facility of dark mode and light mode. Now there is also some other options like setting. We can set according to these our needs and what we want. These are very user friendly things. The compare model, we can compare modes, like what means by comparing standard and simple. We can compare, but it's a premium feature. We can give feedback about its usage for improvement. These are hotkeys, like shortcut keys. These are similar to the Microsoft hotkeys, but we can use at QuillBot. And this is the word history checker. We can check the history. what we have copied before, like it's a kind of clipboard type. That's a clipboard where our copy data remained. Now we will go through its what the premium features, what premium version will provide us. Now let's move through it. First of all, we have to log in. We can simply log in with Google. Okay, so I'm logged in. So here you can see some changes here after logging in, and now we will see that what they are offering to us. As we can see that there's multiple features like free account. In the free account we can only use 125 words to change, but in the paid version of QuillBot we can change or paraphrase unlimited words. These are some difference between the free version and premium version. It also gives us the scanning utility if we have a paid version. So this is the QuillBot, and we can use it for our ease. QuillBot is very good and useful tool for a freelancer or a content creator, or we can save ourselves from the plagiarism. Thank you. I hope so you like this video. Please share your reviews about it. Thank you.